Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel jchealth.com. In this video I'm going to tell you what is the immigrant health insurance and how to avail it. Friends, the United States has a lot of people entering the country on a daily basis. Almost millions of comes into the United States to gain employment to become a US citizens. While there is an income to take care of living expenses, what happens when they are faced with medical expenses? Friends, as with every other expenses, they need some means of reducing it, which can be pretty heavy. As immigrants, they need to look into what type of insurance can be gained or what is specifically available for them and how to avail it. Features of immigrant health insurance. Friends, those who have just immigrated into the US cannot apply for regular health insurance. They need to look into immigrant health insurance, which is vital to assist them in paying various medical expenses that can otherwise raise costs drastically. While people who are US citizens can get regular Medicare insurance, immigrants are not eligible for it. What is the alternative for Medicare to an immigrant? Friends, look specifically into private health insurance providers who offer policies specifically for immigrants, as they will have plans tailor-made for them so that it fits into their budget. Friends, it is to be noted that health insurance for immigrants can be for a limited period of time, usually for some 5 years or less. Policies usually offer emergency benefits, and the maximum benefits given may be $50,000 or $1 lakh. There may be a limit on what can be spent on daily hospital stays. Those writing to buy immigrant health policies should check out exclusions, which can be in the form of pre-existing conditions or treatment that do not get coverage, or list of medical exams that are excluded. There is a look of type of coverage immigrants can avail. Immigrants arriving with a proper visa can get premium subsidies, and even those who are 65 plus can get health plans as well as subsidies. They will opt for short-term health insurance plans, which is highly affordable and definitely more affordable than an ACA compliant plan. Friends, those who are new US immigrants or coming to the United States for the first time, else having a green card but living outside the US but visiting it for a short period, should get travel medical insurance. It covers various medical expenses ranging from minor routine checkups to emergency evacuations for medical emergency, urgent hospitality, critical illness treatment, and much more. Those immigrants who are categorized as qualified immigrants apply for Medicaid, which offer comprehensive coverage, paying out for various types of medical expenses, thus reducing the burden of their costs considerably. Such category of immigrants can also opt for the children health insurance program. It's cheap. It is to be noted that both Medicaid and CHIP can be both one can be availed by an immigrant provided meets the rule and state income residency. Immigrants can enroll in individual health plans during open enrollment period, just like any other lawfully present US resident. Undocumented immigrants cannot buy plans in the exchange, but some states provide coverage for some undocumented immigrant children and pregnant women also. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question regarding immigrant health insurance, you can write down in the comment section. Thank you for watching.